Hi, welcome to my channel. This is the Danny L channel and my name is Danielle. So I ordered some products from Amazon to improve my audio. Right now I'm using my internal mic on my cell phone. So the first item I ordered was this mic. And then I ordered this cable adapter so I can connect it to my phone because my phone has a USB-C port and this mic just has a regular, I believe it's a TRRS connector or something like that. I'll show you what it looks like in just a moment. Okay, so on the back, the connecting piece is called a 4-pin adapter. Okay, so now I'm gonna open it and show you what they look like and then hook it up to see if it improves my audio. So everything is in this pouch, so we're gonna open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so here's the instructions. Here is the mic itself. It's 12.8 feet. Here is the connector. It's called a 4-pin adapter. And then here's the 3-pin adapter and other covers for the mic. Okay, so according to the instructions or quick guide manual, these 3 other things right here, it's called the wind muff. So we had 3 different wind muff. Okay, let's open up the second item. And in here, you get the user guide and the adapter. This is a USB-C. Can you see it? And then it has 2 things here. This one is for listening only. You see the headphones? And this one has the headphone and the microphone. So you can we will be plugging the microphone into here. And then we're going to plug in the USB-C into my phone. Okay, so I have wiped down all the items. So now I'm going to plug in this cable into my phone. And I am speaking into the mic. Hopefully this sounds a certain way. When I play back the video, I'll be able to hear myself if there's a sound difference. But I have my USB-C adapter plugged into my phone, and then I have my microphone hooked into the adapter with the microphone and the headphone. And then I have my mic pinned on me. So I'll come back and see if there's a difference in the audio. Okay, so I am back. I just got to make sure I project my voice. But I have my adapter, USB-C adapter plugged in my phone. Then I have my mic plugged into the port or connector with the headphones, and it has the headphones and the microphone on it. And you press that in until you hear it click. And make sure you have your microphone pin on you. Now, if you want to listen to your footage, you would have to unplug the mic and the adapter. Then you can play it back and hear your sound, which is what I did a few moments ago. And my audio did improve. So far, I like both the adapter and the microphone. This was very beginner user friendly. So I would say give it a try. And if you don't like it, you can return it. I ordered both of these items from Amazon. I will post the link in the description box. And these were some very good products. I will continue to use them. So I just want to say thank you for tuning into my channel. This is, again, Danny L. That's the name of my channel. And my name is Danielle. So thank you again for tuning in and watching this video. Thank you.